Irish spelling really tripped me up at first. Three rules explain almost everything. The first one is lenition. Certain consonants change their sound depending on grammatical context, and that change is marked by adding an H after the consonant. So BH isn't B plus H. It's a single modified sound, somewhere in the range of V or W. This sign says, Scéal Anya an Hlada. Look at Anya. The FH at the beginning is completely silent. A lenited F makes no sound at all. So you might be wondering, as I was, if those lenited letters are silent, why are they there at all? Because the root of the word is fanya without the H. But lenition gets triggered by the case or the gender, certain prepositions or possesses. If this concept feels unfamiliar, think of how I changes to me or my depending on the grammatical context. So that's the first rule. The second rule is vowel matching. Irish consonants are classified as either broad or slender. The rule is that the vowels on both sides of a consonant have to match. So this is why you get these vowel clusters in Irish words that can look a little confusing at first glance. They're telling you how to pronounce the consonant next to them. When a consonant is slender, that means it picks up a little y sound, like the difference between moo and mew. Mew is slenderized, moo is broad. As an example, Gargin an ahi, the giant's garden. Look at ahi. The root of this word for giant is fachach, which looks very different from the form we see here. A few things are happening. The case changes the ending from ch to gh, which technically is a slender consonant, although it is silent. Because the consonant became slender, we have to change the vowel sounds to match. We have to add the I in there, leading us to fahi. And then after all that, the first consonant is lenited, so we end up with ahi. So that's lenition and vowel matching. The third rule is the fada, which is an accent mark you add to a vowel to lengthen it. That's basically it. It doesn't mark stress like it does in some other languages. It just tells you to hold the sound a little longer. The Irish toast, you've probably heard it, possibly mispronounced it. The slán part has a fada, which lengthens that vowel. The end has a slender consonant cluster. Put it together and you get sláinte.